Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting canvas size and importing assets. This is where layout decisions begin. Open your chosen editor, then place background and guide grids. Once done, import high-res images and link or embed them to avoid missing files later. Make sure fonts are installed and enabled, otherwise substitute fonts will break alignment. Save a working copy now, using a clear file name and version number so you can revert if a change goes wrong. You now build the visual hierarchy. Place headline, subheads, and body copy with consistent spacing. Use guides and smart objects so elements stay aligned. Once placed, convert repeated elements into symbols or components. Adjust type scale and tracking for legibility, then lock key layers. For color, switch to CMYK and proof a printer profile. This prevents unexpected shifts. Once satisfied, rasterize effects only when necessary, and save another increment. You're at the finish line. Export using print-ready settings and include bleeds and crop marks. Save a master editable file plus a production PDF, then print a one-page proof to verify colors and detail. If the printer reports missing fonts or images, relink sources or embed them into the file. If transparencies cause artifacts, flatten selectively. Finally, confirm bleed and trim dimensions with the printer. Then deliver the correct file type and confirm receipt to avoid last-minute surprises.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.